to another video. Oh my god. Yeah, today is a good day, guys. Yeah, it is Ariela's birthday in few days, 6 months birthday, and this has been in the plan. Like, I've been researching a lot about what I want to do, how I want her to look, guys. I mean, the life of a mom, you can't plan and plan and plan and plan and plan and plan again. So alright guys, so we'll just go ahead to do this shoot right now. And of course, you know, now we're in the abroad. And if you want to do photo shoots, you may end up losing a head or a neck. You know what I mean? My abroad people can relate to this right now. So we have to do something. And guys, I've turned a photographer, a planner, event planner, everything. Just name it, call me. It is me. Name anything now. Now me they do them. So I was searching online and I found this picture here, right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this picture right here being my inspiration. I found many other pictures, but this was just it. I want a flowery background. I want her looking flowery, and of course I don't want a cake for her, but I just want the flower things inside this my photo shoot. And that is what we finally got. I got this on SHEIN. I already did a haul on this where I showed all the things I got from SHEIN, and so today is basically for our birthday shoot. Birthday girl is looking sleepy, guys. I need to run. These are the realities. So I want to show you guys what I got. So I saw this clothes online. I was looking for flowery clothes. In my mind, I didn't want it to have I mean, I just think I was attracted to all these flowers, yeah, like, and the ones I saw, they were just bare in front for long sleeve with the whole flowery thing happening all around. But this just best suits me. It just gave me that paparazzi yeah, that I want. I got it from SHEIN, and not expensive. It has me to bring my head for this beautiful dress. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the bio. So yeah, we got this headband. Yeah, I should use this headband with it because it didn't come with a hairband. Yeah, I got this. So we're going to lay this carpet. We're going to lay this carpet on it. Like, guys, a lot of things. I have to rush. Daniel also me back from school. This is the time I've got. Ariela is looking at me. She doesn't know what we will do. Life of a mother, they didn't tell us very well. Oh yeah, well, let me do it. Right in front of me is my box light that I got from Godox, and I'm using a lot of natural light for this shoot. These are the flowers I got. I got it from that Euro shop. I got them, yeah, at very good prices. Like, we should give her pieces, right? Okay, I'm trying to pieces this, right? Just a few pieces.
What you thinking? Give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me.
Okay, so our princess, come. This is our video. See your fans. See your fans. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and wear a dress, and let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
My dearly beloved, celebrant of the day is sleeping. Yeah, so we've done our hair. Why is it that it is when you want to snap children picture that they don't normally sleep? She was actually sleeping. I had to get wake out, guys, because Daniel will soon be home. We have to take this photo. So my baby is ready. So when I ordered this dress for Ariela, it was at the thick of summer, and right now I was just torn in between using the dress like that or using an inner bodice for her, because it's now so cold, and I'm just thinking I'm just going to use both. Oh, this girl is so cute, guys, you know, right? I mean, she's absolutely beautiful. It's a lot of work to snap a baby, seriously. You know, when you're ready may not be the time they are ready. You just have to be smart with your phone. And guys, like, the struggle is so thick right here. So she's not smiling as I expected her to do. She wasn't laughing as I expected her to do. I tried and guys, at some point I had to bring her dad here to come and be dancing.
You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it.
Because at this point my tired really got so tired, like tired. I'm just like, okay, what we have we can use. I really can't deal anymore. Well, guys, let me know what you think. Yeah, look here.
Tell me what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you think.